a performance to be pleased about today, Chris, the 3-1 win against Holyhead, and your observations on the performance?
Yeah, good win, good performance. Obviously started the game really well, got the goal, and I liked what I was seeing again. Like I mentioned after the semi-final, the press was really good, winning the ball back early, and yeah, it was a good performance first half. Obviously conceded the goal, back to 1-1, conceded the penalty, but I always felt like we were on top first half and we were the better side, and I said that to the lads at half time, just keep going, it's coming, and obviously we got 2 goals in the second half and finished off the win.
Was that the second half the best we've seen in a few weeks?
I think the first half in the semi-final was probably one of the better performances of the season, but yeah, it was a good performance today, and the frustration for me is obviously that we can do that against good teams, but we've just not been consistent enough against other sides this season, which is ultimately why we're not in the promotion race to the end. But yeah, like I say, good win, and we look forward now to taking this form on to the final.
It looks like we finished third. A good result in the last couple of weeks. We'll have a good go in the final against Brickfield as well. Yeah,
today was, told the lads, was cup final prep. Obviously lads that want to play in the final needed to perform today. We still had the chance of promotion last week, so today it was all focused on preparing for the final, and now we've got 3 training sessions, I think it is, and then cup final in 2 weeks time. So it's important that we prepare right, because they're a good side. I still expect them to win their league, and we've got to prepare right in the training sessions to make sure that we put on a good display in the final time with a trophy for everyone.
No injuries, no suspensions either?
No injuries today, touch wood. It don't come off at half time, but that was pre-planned, but yeah, all good.
So we look forward to, in 3 weeks, in a final at Belleville.
Yeah, that's it. Time finished the season on a high. Obviously, I know it's frustrating that we're not in the race to the end for promotion, but we can at least try and finish the season with a trophy for everybody, and then kick on from there.
Diolch yn fawr, Chris.
Diolch, Dil.